Let's explore the parenting strategies employed by wealthy families to ensure their children have better chances of success throughout their lives. This article is valuable regardless of your current situation. Even if you are at an early stage in life or seeking ways to enhance your parenting practices, there are useful lessons and advice you can apply to benefit your children. Below are 15 lessons that wealthy parents often teach their children and that are frequently overlooked by parents with fewer resources. Number 1. Understanding how money works. Many people in financial difficulty have a limited understanding of personal finance. For some, it may seem like a basic concept, but a large portion of the population still questions how money is earned, why salaries are set in certain ways, how taxes are calculated, and what can be done to improve financial situations. Wealthy families, on the other hand, tend to openly discuss the importance and value of money. They introduce financial concepts early on, involving children in household tasks with financial rewards, or explaining the importance of budgeting and planning. This helps children recognize the effort involved in earning money and appreciate the importance of financial management. In contrast, in many low-income households, money is a taboo topic, and conversations often revolve around scarcity, associating the concept with negative feelings and stress. Number 2. Distinction between assets and liabilities. Many people with fewer financial resources lack clarity about what constitutes a good purchase versus a bad one. After earning money, it is common for them to continue spending without a strategic view, which perpetuates poverty. To simplify, an asset is something that generates money for you, while a liability is something that costs you money. For example, a car used for daily transportation or a house that does not generate income is considered a liability because it incurs ongoing expenses like maintenance and fuel. Similarly, impulse purchases such as a new smartphone or designer clothes are liabilities. In contrast, individuals with greater financial stability focus on acquiring assets, such as rental properties or investments that provide financial returns. Although many wealthy people own luxury properties and cars, these assets are sustained by the income generated from their investments, not by their direct personal earnings. Number 3. The importance of not feeling entitled. Wealthy families understand that despite the initial advantages provided by family wealth, financial security is not guaranteed and can be lost if not managed with care and ongoing effort. It is crucial for wealthy parents to instill in their children the notion that even with an initial advantage, the path to success requires hard work and perseverance. Children who grow up with a sense of entitlement to privileges without effort often struggle when faced with challenges, as they may lack the same motivation and work ethic necessary to maintain and expand wealth. Number 4. Socialization and networking skills. The ability to relate to and interact effectively with others is a crucial skill that is often undervalued. Teaching children to socialize and build a network from an early age can bring significant benefits. Children who develop good social skills and are able to connect with influential people often have access to valuable job opportunities and partnerships throughout their lives. Those who do not learn to socialize may face ongoing difficulties in their personal and professional interactions, leading to a series of challenges throughout life. Number 5. Avoiding instant gratification and magical thinking. In an era of instant gratification, it is easy to fall into the trap of expecting quick and magical results. However, both wealth and genuine happiness are built over time. Many people hope to get rich quickly or through inheritance, and even when they acquire some capital, they may lack the education needed to manage it effectively, resulting in rapid loss of those resources. Wealthy parents teach the importance of long-term planning, helping their children develop a strategic mindset that values patience and ongoing effort. As Bill Gates observed, people often overestimate what they can achieve in a year and underestimate what they can accomplish in a decade. Long-term planning can be crucial for achieving significant results. Number 6. Developing daily habits that yield long-term benefits. Teaching children the importance of cultivating positive habits can have a profound impact on their lives. Healthy and productive habits, such as regular reading, physical exercise, and efficient organization, become integrated into life after about 21 days of consistent practice. These habits can open doors to new opportunities and possibilities. On the other hand, negative habits often associated with financial difficulties and other adversities can be detrimental. Therefore, it is crucial for parents to focus on developing and reinforcing positive habits in their children, promoting a lifestyle that contributes to long-term success. Children learn primarily from their parents' actions, not just their words. Teach them to do what is right through example. Let's explore some important concepts to better understand how attitudes towards money and success can shape people's lives. Number 7. Money is a powerful and positive tool. You may have heard many times that money is the root of all evil. However, it is crucial to reflect on who is saying this. Evaluate that person's satisfaction and success. Often those who say this may be facing financial difficulties and attribute a negative character to wealth. Even when they manage to earn money, they continue to face problems because they lack the necessary skills to manage it properly. In contrast, successful individuals understand that money is simply a tool we use to navigate life. It is essentially just paper with symbolic value that we exchange for goods and services. Instead of taking money so seriously, use it to improve your life. Just as scissors can cut hair or be used harmfully, money can be used constructively or destructively. By starting to see money as a tool rather than a goal in itself, you will change your relationship with it and start generating more income effectively. Number 8. Focus on increasing income rather than just reducing expenses. One of the most valuable lessons a parent can teach is the ability to generate more money. It is important to note that both covering daily responsibilities and accumulating a fortune require similar effort. What differentiates success is the focus and knowledge applied. Financially intelligent people exert less effort in the real world because they have deeper knowledge. For example, Wall Street brokers earn more than miners due to their expertise. Instead of focusing on cutting expenses, which can make life less enjoyable, the wealthy focus on increasing cash flow. If you can significantly increase your income, you will always have a substantial amount at the end of the month. This approach is key to financial success and should be combined with other strategies to achieve your goals. Number 9. Knowledge has immense long-term value. The saying, "Investing in yourself is the best investment," has profound implications. It is not just about attending schools or reading books, but about becoming more valuable to the world. The value you create for others results in rewards. Often, families with fewer resources do not teach the importance of becoming a valuable person. There are various ways to stand out, whether by taking on important positions, creating products, or offering valuable services. Continuously developing skills and knowledge is the way to become more valuable and consequently wealthier. It takes about 10,000 hours to master any skill. Therefore, exposing your children to different skills to accumulate those hours can give them a significant advantage. Having knowledge is a valuable resource that can generate income, even though the market may not always be ready to recognize it immediately. Number 10. Don't just work for money, make money work for you. This concept is fundamental to accumulating wealth. Most people trade their time for money and spend it, while the wealthy use money to generate more money. Many believe that a large capital is necessary to start investing, but this is not true. The wealthy constantly look for ways to add small amounts to their passive income, as it is not just about value but about freeing up your time. Nowadays, it is possible to start a business with less than 100 Rs. If you know what you are doing and are willing to invest time, you can generate significant income. Use money to delegate tasks and focus on growing your venture. The concept of passive income is essential in any wealth-building strategy. For beginners, we recommend reading Robert Kiyosaki's book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which is an excellent introduction to the topic. Number 11. Solving problems is key to wealth. The wealthy quickly teach their children that problem-solving is fundamental to achieving financial success. The crucial difference between just getting paid and becoming rich lies in solving significant problems. While the poor are paid for repetitive and simple tasks, the wealthy focus on solving major problems, which leads to the creation of innovative solutions. Examples of entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Jeff Bezos show how solving complex problems and creating valuable products and services can result in great fortunes. Teaching your children to approach problems this way can put them on the path to success. Number 12. Avoid getting lost in areas that have no practical relevance. Unfortunately, many academic studies and careers do not directly correlate with the current job market. The educational system often teaches skills that are not applicable to the real world. If you are passionate about certain subjects, it is important to master them in a practical and relevant way for the market. Specific and applicable knowledge can open doors to valuable opportunities. Number 13. Differentiate between good debt and bad debt. There are two types of debt: bad debt, which can impoverish you, and good debt, which can enrich you. While bad debts are used to acquire liabilities such as new cars or gadgets, good debts are used for investments that generate more money. Banks and investors prefer to lend money to people who can clearly explain how their investment is safe and profitable. This is how many entrepreneurs manage to finance large projects. Understanding and using good debt properly can accelerate your path to wealth. Number 14. The 80-20 rule. 80% of results come from 20% of effort. Known as the Pareto principle, this rule states that most results come from a small portion of actions. In businesses, for example, most revenue comes from a minority of clients. Applying this principle can help focus on what truly adds value. Instead of trying to be the best at everything, concentrate on activities and skills that provide the best results. Timothy Ferriss's book, The 4-Hour Workweek, explores this concept and is recommended reading for applying this rule in practice. Number 15. Money does not make you a better person. It only solves certain problems. There is a misconception that having money makes someone superior or more worthy. In reality, money can provide comfort and solve material problems, but cannot buy values such as humility and integrity. Wealthy people who have achieved success often maintain a humble and respectful attitude. A clear conscience and mental comfort are not purchasable, and true wealth involves a balance between material success and emotional well-being. Now, imagine being able to wake up whenever you want, dine at any restaurant without worrying about the cost, or provide your family with the life they deserve. These dreams can become a reality through entrepreneurship. On our channel, we strongly encourage entrepreneurship, believing it is the most effective path to personal and professional achievements. To get started, we have provided a link in the first comment with a complete class on a business model that has created many millionaires in recent years. It is an excellent opportunity for those looking to begin their entrepreneurial journey. Click the link, check out the class, and seize the chance to transform your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our updates. Until next time, and may God bless you.